What do you understand by crepitus? Crepitus is not a sign, it is a symptom. How? Because you would not be able to know the crepitus. The patient will tell you that some sound I have heard. Then you will realize it might be crush fracture where the broken bones are there. They are broken pieces because of this symptom, which the patient tells you. Understood? Okay. So you would know now this fracture is there. Now you should know what is the first aid treatment given in fracture. So the most important treatment, first aid treatment in fracture is immobilization. That you remember. Do not move the person unless and until you have immobilized the person. स्थिर करना है. Okay? हिलाना नहीं है. अब क्या